This is one of the biggest, largest diagnostic company in India. We have a footprint of more than 250 network laboratories. We have 12 reference laboratories, which are the large size laboratories catering to various parts of India. Plus we have certain international laboratories like in Dubai and Nepal. And our footprint is covering the entire India, right from Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from Gujarat to far northeast also.
For such a large chain, what were the major challenges?
Challenges, of course, one is organizing the team, getting good doctors and good technical staff to work with us, and of course retaining them is a bigger challenge as of now. We are also into academics and into R&D, so retaining the staff that we have trained is a great challenge.
So how do you manage to do that? What is that underlying principle or the glue in that? What would you say is that?
The HR very effectively manages that, and they have a lot of employee engagement schemes available with them, and of course their career path is well charted out. When a person joins even at the lowest level, we have a definite career path which is charted out for all the level personnel. So that's important.
If there are other entrepreneurs who are starting out in this sector itself, would you have any advice for that?
It's important to target. We are into the health diagnostic field, so it's important to target the key areas, infectious diseases and malignancies are the areas where we need more and more newer diagnostic tests. Of course, we are at in most of the fields we are at level with international diagnostic market, but still in molecular field and in oncology field there are still many areas which we can probe into, and that would be.
For the future, what are the plans?
Of course, further expansion and have more laboratories, start more and more tests, and be the #1 company in all the fields wherever we operate.
All right. Is this the company's second year in the Inc. 500 event, or?
No.
This is the first year. Would you like to say a few words for Inc. 500, the event?
Yeah, excellent initiative, and for the companies, I can say that it's a good morale boost for those who are working very hard to achieve this target.